Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going on an enchanting journey to Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesia. Known globally as a paradise for tourists, Bali dazzles with its stunning landscapes that range from rolling hills to vibrant jungles, and from serene seas to majestic temples. This video aims to capture the essence of Bali's beauty, its rich culture, and its diverse attractions. So, buckle up for this exhilarating journey as we explore the heart of Indonesia, Bali. Bali is a paradise on earth with its picturesque landscapes that captivate every visitor. Bali, Indonesia's famed island of the gods, is a living postcard, an Indonesian paradise that feels like a fantasy. Here, the landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. Imagine serene beaches with crystal clear waters gently lapping at the golden sands. The sun either rising or setting on the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, is a sight that can leave one awestruck. But Bali's beauty doesn't end at the shoreline. Venture inward, and you're greeted by emerald green jungles, teeming with a diverse array of flora and fauna. The jungles are a symphony of sounds, with the calls of the wild animals echoing through the trees. It's a world in itself, where every turn reveals a new wonder. Then there are the majestic mountains, standing tall and proud, their peaks often hidden by a veil of clouds. They are Bali's guardians, a testament to the island's volcanic origins. The sight of these towering structures, often cloaked in a blanket of lush green foliage, leaves one feeling small, yet profoundly connected to nature. Amidst these mountains, you'll find awe-inspiring waterfalls, cascading down with a force that can only be described as nature's raw power. The sound of the water hitting the rocks below, the misty spray that fills the air around. It's a sensory experience that's as refreshing as it is exhilarating. But Bali's beauty extends below the surface too. The vibrant marine life is a spectacle on its own. Picture a world where colorful fishes dart around coral reefs, sea turtles glide gracefully, and exotic sea creatures make their appearances now and then. It's a different world altogether, one that's as enchanting as it is mysterious. Each of these landscapes tells a story, a tale of nature's bounty and the harmonious coexistence of diverse ecosystems. They are a testament to Bali's inherent beauty, a beauty that's both timeless and captivating. Indeed, Bali's landscapes are like beautiful paintings that come to life. Bali is not just about natural beauty, it is also a rich tapestry of culture and tradition. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Bali, a fascinating fusion of centuries-old traditions and modern creativity. This is a place where culture is not just preserved in museums, but woven into the daily life of the people and radiates from every corner of the island. In Bali, music is more than just a form of entertainment. It's a way of life. Traditional Balinese music, known as gamelan, fills the air with enchanting tunes played on a variety of percussive instruments. This rhythmic symphony is often accompanied by the graceful movements of Balinese dance, a narrative art form that tells stories of mythology and folklore through intricate gestures and expressive facial movements. Art and craft are deeply ingrained in the Balinese culture. The island is home to skilled artisans who have been perfecting their crafts for generations. From the intricate wood carvings of mas, the delicate silverwork of celuk, to the vibrant textile designs of ubud, each region of Bali has its own unique artistic identity. Religion plays a significant role in the cultural fabric of Bali. The island is predominantly Hindu, and the unique blend of Hinduism with local beliefs has given rise to Balinese Hinduism. This is evident in the numerous temples scattered across the island, where daily offerings and ceremonies are a common sight. The island's religious practices are not just acts of devotion, but also a celebration of life and gratitude towards nature. The culture of Bali is also reflected in its vibrant festivals. From the colorful processions of Galungan, celebrating the victory of good over evil, to the silence of Nyepi, the Balinese New Year, each festival is a spectacle of tradition, devotion, and community spirit. Bali's culture is a mesmerizing blend of tradition and innovation, making it a cultural hotspot. So, get ready to dive into this cultural melting pot and let the vibrant culture of Bali captivate your senses and enrich your soul. Bali is a treasure trove of attractions, each unique and fascinating in its own way. Our journey through Bali's enchanting world begins with its ancient temples, standing as silent witnesses to time, history, and a deeply spiritual culture. The Uluwatu Temple, perched on a cliff with the Indian Ocean as its backdrop, is a captivating sight to behold. Its architecture is intricately detailed, and its location only adds to its mystique. A stone's throw away from these temples, you'll find bustling markets, a sensory overload of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and the lively chatter of traders and visitors alike. Ubud Art Market, for instance, is a paradise for art lovers, offering a wide range of handmade crafts, traditional textiles, and unique souvenirs. Next, we venture into the heart of Bali's traditional villages. The village of Penglipuran is a window into Bali's past, where the Balinese way of life is preserved in its purest form. The village's traditional bamboo houses, manicured gardens, and the warm smiles of the locals transport you to a simpler time. Bali's wild side shines through its wildlife sanctuaries. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, home to over 600 Balinese long-tailed monkeys, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Amidst the lush greenery, these playful creatures roam free, offering an up-close and personal encounter with nature. As the sun sets, Bali transforms into a playground for the night owls. Its nightlife is as vibrant as its day, with beach clubs, rooftop bars, and night markets bringing the island to life under the starlit sky. Seminyak, with its fashionable eateries, boutique shops, and trendy nightlife, is the place to be when the stars come out. Bali's attractions offer something for everyone, making it a perfect destination for all types of travelers. Whether you're a history buff, a shopping enthusiast, a nature lover, or a partygoer, Bali's alluring attractions ensure a memorable experience that lingers long after the journey ends. From the alluring attractions, let's dive into the bustling markets of Bali, a paradise for shoppers and a feast for the senses. Our first stop is the vibrant Ubud Art Market, a pulsating hub of creativity and craftsmanship. Here, every stall is a treasure trove of handcrafted goods, from intricately woven textiles and beautiful batik fabrics to stunning silver jewelry and unique Balinese souvenirs. The market is a riot of colors and textures, a testament to the artistic spirit that thrives in this island paradise. Next, we head to the heart of Denpasar city, to the traditional Badung market. As the largest market in Bali, it's a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. From fresh produce and fragrant spices to colorful clothes and household items, the market offers a glimpse into the everyday life of the Balinese people. It's a place where the locals shop, making it an authentic cultural experience. Our final stop is the Sukaudi Art Market, a favorite among art lovers. This market is famed for its affordable artworks, including paintings, wood carvings, and sculptures. It's the perfect place to pick up a piece of Balinese art to take home with you. Whether you're looking for a unique souvenir, a piece of traditional clothing, or just want to immerse yourself in the local culture, Bali's markets have something for everyone. As we navigate through the labyrinth of stalls, bargaining with the friendly vendors, and soaking in the lively atmosphere, we're not just shopping, we're experiencing a slice of Balinese life and culture. So, come, join us as we explore the colorful and chaotic world of Bali's markets. A shopping experience like no other. To truly understand Bali, one must delve into the everyday life of its people. The Balinese way of life is a beautiful tapestry, woven with threads of spirituality, community, and nature. Their day begins with the break of dawn, as the rooster's crow echoes through the tranquil landscapes. The Balinese people rise early, embracing the freshness of a new day, and commencing their daily routines with a sense of calm and gratitude. Food plays a central role in the Balinese way of life. Their cuisine is a delightful symphony of flavors, rich with spices and infused with the freshness of local produce. Rice is a staple, often served with a variety of side dishes, succulent meats, fresh vegetables, and an array of tantalizing sambals. Street food stalls, or warungs, are a common sight, offering a taste of authentic Balinese cuisine that is as diverse as it is delicious. The Balinese calendar is marked with a plethora of vibrant festivals, each celebrating different aspects of their culture and spirituality. From the colorful processions of Galungan, honoring the victory of good over evil, to the serene silence of Nyepi, the day of silence marking the Balinese New Year, these festivals offer a glimpse into the heart of Balinese culture. However, what truly sets the Balinese way of life apart is the warmth and hospitality of its people. Their welcoming nature is not a mere courtesy, but a deeply ingrained part of their culture. Visitors are embraced as part of the community, invited to partake in local ceremonies, and even offered home-cooked meals. This openness extends to their spiritual practices as well, with temples often open for visitors to witness and participate in rituals and ceremonies. The Balinese people's deep reverence for nature is reflected in their daily life. From the intricate floral offerings made to the gods to the sustainable farming practices, they live in harmony with the environment, cherishing its bounties and protecting its sanctity. The people of Bali, with their simplicity and warmth, add another dimension to the island's charm. Our journey through Bali has been a sensory delight, unveiling the many facets of this beautiful island. As we navigated through the diverse landscapes, from lush hills to serene seas, the wild jungles and the cascading waterfalls, we've immersed ourselves in nature's grandeur. Each vista, a masterpiece painted with the vibrant colors of Bali's flora and fauna. The undersea life, a vibrant spectacle, made us marvel at the wonders hidden beneath the waves. The pulsating heartbeat of Bali is its culture, rich, diverse, and steeped in tradition. The temples, a testament to the deep-rooted spirituality of the Balinese people, echoed with ancient stories and legends. The traditional dances, an expression of the island's folklore, captivated us with their rhythmic grace and vibrant costumes. The allure of Bali's attractions is undeniable, from bustling markets to tranquil spas, from adrenaline-pumping water sports to serene yoga retreats. Bali has something for everyone. The island's cuisine, a medley of flavors, offered an unforgettable gastronomic journey. At the core of our journey was the Balinese way of life. Simplicity, harmony, and respect for nature are the cornerstones of their lifestyle. Their warm smiles and welcoming nature made us feel like a part of their community. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey. Until next time, let the spirit of Bali inspire you.